To all the elders of the Vatutu village and all the other ladies who are here also, and everybody else. I'd like to, of course, also acknowledge Mufti who was here when we first met at his house, when we had this meeting about what your business is about. We obviously are very glad that this has now reached this stage, where you've been able to access the loan funding from FDB. And as we discussed, I remember the first time when we had our discussion at Mufti's house, we had talked about how we need to build sustainable businesses and how government has an objective to ensure that we get people who've never been in businesses to run their businesses properly. And government has been, in particular, whilst FDB has been around for the past 55 years or so, it's only been in the past 10 years or so that there has been a concerted effort by any government to grow the SME sector. We have provided a lot of concessional financing. We provided grants to people to start up their businesses, micro, small, medium enterprises. As part of the package also, as the CEO of FDB has mentioned, that the interest rate, that the loan agreement that you have signed with FDB, your interest rate is 12.45%. I would like to announce today that because government is helping businesses, in particular for loans less than $100,000, your interest rate will be reduced from 12.45% to 6.45%. The other 6% interest rate will be paid for on your behalf by government to FDB. So these are the kind of things that we are doing. As you know, last year during the COVID, we announced the concessional financing loan facility that is available, where for the first 2 years, government paid anybody that got a loan. We paid the interest rate for the first 2 years. They did not do any principal payments, and only in the third year they start doing the repayments. So I would urge you to please run your business properly. You must keep the business side of your revenue separate to the personal side. If people work in the business, they should be paid the wages. Even though you're the shareholder, you must be paid the wages. Let the money grow in the business. When you let the money grow in the business, you can, God willing, one day have 5 trucks. You can have 5 excavators. You can do other business. That's the only way to grow the business. You've got to have the financial discipline. We have seen some businesses in the past, because they lack the financial discipline, the businesses have collapsed. This truck here, whilst you may be able to use it for the desilting purposes, there may be people who may want to hire a truck to do other jobs. When you have excavators, they may want to hire excavators to do other jobs. And that's how you grow your business. So I would urge everybody, I mean, this is my first time to Vatutu. I've only come up to Nawaka. And you people put a barrier there, so I could not come to this side. So today I've come on this side. Look, I mean, I don't want to make a long speech, but we're here to assist. As you know, that government has provided a lot of incentives. We have, as you know, we're also funding for Itauke land development. If you want to subdivide land, if you own land, you want to subdivide that, we pay for the subdivision cost for you. So you sell the lease yourself, you get all the money yourself. Not for you to lease it to somebody else, they subdivide, they get the money. We want you to get the money. By us paying the subdivision cost for you, you'll be able to get the leased money directly for yourself, you get the premium yourself, so you become more cash rich, you make more land available for leasing purposes, people get 99-year leases, and then they're able to go and build nice concrete homes. So everybody benefits. The economy benefits. The economy grows. We, of course, are very glad now with the borders opening up. A lot of people have gone back to their jobs. Some people have stopped doing the tay-tay. During COVID time, they used to do the tay-tay. They can still do the tay-tay now and still have the hotel job. That's our government focus. Government is all about empowering people who don't have access to facilities, loan facilities. We want to work together with everybody to help not only build sustainable livelihoods, but grow the entire Fijian economy. So I'd like to thank the CEO of FDB, who since he has come to FDB, we've seen FDB change very significantly. They become a lot more customer focused, a lot more long-term thinking. They're using a lot more digital applications in disbursing and going about the day-to-day business. And we're glad to have such partners, and we'll continue to work with them. We used to continue to work with you. We would like to also tell you that we have, for example, through the Ministry of Commerce and Trade, we can also provide you with advice. We have now deregulated, from one perspective, the accounting fraternity. You can get accounting services a lot more cheaper. There's an organization called Business Assistance Fiji that government funds that can help you do your bookkeeping, your accounts. It's all paid for by government. It's going to give you a helping hand so you can grow your business. And God willing, you'll become a very big business one day. Naka, thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Attorney General and the elders for the village, the entire community, the Fiji Development Bank, and everyone else. Good afternoon, and thank you for actually inviting us to be a part of the great success story which you are about to start. Fiji Development Bank, as you know, has been here for the last 55 years. And main business of Fiji Development Bank is always supporting the SMEs, MSMEs, and agriculture business. So that's where 95% of our portfolio belongs to, and we'll continue to support this sector. Once this opportunity was given to us, it was a great opportunity for us to look into it, that how we can support with the support in terms of overall collaboration from the bank as well as the Matangalis. I'm happy to say that yes, it's a new business, and we're wishing you all the best. The equity which you have put in, which gives us the comfort from a bank's point of view that yes, you are serious about doing business, and you will make sure that yes, this is a successful business. I'd like to echo your words and repeat, this is not the last time. We will continue to come and support and serve the communities the way Fiji Development Bank has done it in the past, and we want to support and help our farmers in terms of growing their business as well. Here I'd like to take this opportunity that, with the support of Ministry of Economy and Honorable Attorney General, it has been a great pleasure in terms of working with the team from his office, and also to continue to provide very innovative ideas how to support our communities. And I think Honorable Minister will talk a little bit about that. I would like him to share the good news which you're about to get from him in terms of the interest rates. So that's something good. And here, once again, thank you, everyone. We look forward working together. And please let us know, let my team know, in case if there is any support, any help required, we'll be happy to support this. Thank you.